Are we rolling? Rolling, 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 raw, 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 raw. Good evening, and this is the news. Sorry about that. Good evening, this is the news.
This is the 9 o'clock news.
Howdy, Chunky, it's the voice of reason. The sun is shining and the BBC has another dark day.
The headlines tonight: bottomly refreshed after 3 days on cross, Branson's clockwork dog crosses Atlantic floor, and sacked chimney sweep pubs boss full of mayonnaise. Welcome. On the day-to-day tonight,
And we're going to start tonight with a song. Summertime, and the living, it gets easier. The fish are jumping, boing, 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 and the cotton is high. Your daddy's rich, and your mama, she's a bitch. She's good looking, so hush, no booing, little baby, don't you cry. Well, I think you won't be crying if you're spending your summertime in court like Alex Belfield is with these charges of electronic stalking. It's a trial a few of us have been looking forward to on both sides of the equation, and we want to see how it all pans out. And obviously, as Alex knows, it's not good to go shouting your mouth off and offending people in print, emails, texts, if you be anywhere, you've got to be careful what you say about this case. It's an ongoing criminal trial, so I appreciated today the advice of a black belt barrister, who is a barrister, and he's a black belt in some kind of martial arts, the sort of guy who talks to you gently, and then when he wants to put his point across you, By the way, I've got a black belt in karate. Are you sure you don't agree with me? It's always the threat of violence with those people. Anyway, he's put on his YouTube channel, which is Black Belt Barrister, 3 videos recently about the Alex Belfield trial, and I've watched all 3 of them, and I advise that you all do, so you know the logistics of the legal system, and what you can say and what you can't say, and what you can do in court. Can you tweet? Can you make notes? Can you take a photograph or a video recording? He covers the whole lot. I knew it already, because I do have some experience, and so that's why I'm fairly free that I'm not going to say anything that's going to affect the trial at all in anything I do, because I'm just going to be not summing up the jury, I'm going to summing up to the public of the reports that are coming in that have been legally reported, you see, in newspapers and the media. And Alex himself, he's allowed to report on his own case. He's a journalist with special rights as a journalist. But the public too, like you and me, well, obviously we're watching all this from we're all intrigued, and then maybe we want to like make some comments ourselves, but you gotta be careful what you say. And so I do like, you gotta respect the law, because otherwise contempt of court, you're in a bit of bother like. So I do recommend you check out the 3 videos posted today by the black belt barrister, and I'd love to have a word with this guy sometime about a few things that I know about. So, clickbait headlines. Alex loves his clickbait titles in his videos, so that's why I did this one today. You might have thought I was about to be racist, but no. You see, Alex is like Marmite. You know, Marmite. Well, I can't afford the proper stuff, and that's from Tesco. It's a bit cheaper, like, but it tastes the kind of same. Alex is a bit like Marmite, because, as you know, he's the voice of reason, and this is my impression of Alex Belfield being the voice of reason. His channel, not the voice of prison. It's the voice of reason. This is my impression of Alex Belfield doing his... I can't do the ginger hair, but anyway. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the world, live across the internet, the world, and everything. My name is Alex Belfield. Don't forget to pay to make websites and GoFundMe, and just give me your money. Give me your money. Did I mention about you giving me your money? I am, as you know, asking why am I the voice of reason? Apparently this stuff, that's why I'm the voice of reason. That's water, by the way. Wrong bottle. Now, why is Alex like Marmite? Well, I use that expression because, especially here in England, during the UK, shall I say, that Scotland hasn't gone its own way just yet, like no Wales, Ireland might. Anyway, don't get involved in all that Marmite substance. It's because if, like, Alex behaved in person in front of you, like he does behind the safety of a camera in his show home, if he stood in front of you and just, like, got a bit drunk, you're at the bar with him, and you don't know him, he turns around and he starts spewing all this stuff out of you. You listen for so long, and there comes that point where you just want to shut him up, you just want to give him a slap, friendly slap, shot clap, shut up, like my Marmite, my mum might, my Marmite, but she can't because she passed away a couple of years ago, so it's only a joke, but she like my Marmite. Anyway, let's get on to like the major issues, like who would Alex Belfield be supporting if Boris Johnson did resign now, because there's been some resignations, and I'm sure he's got an opinion on it, and I think I know what his opinion would be, because he doesn't like Shushy, so he won't like Rishi. But I don't think you maybe go for the other guy either, because those were dingy darters, as he calls them, or could come from, you know, they're not white British. It's a manfield, isn't it? Anyway, here's my joke for the day, my topical joke. Which energy drink does Boris Johnson drink? It's this one from Tesco. Blue Spark. Because he's a bright spark, is Boris, and this helps give him all the energy he needs. And like Alex, he's gonna need some of this stuff over the next few weeks. Anyway, hope you enjoyed my little update. Obviously, there's nothing about the trial in this. It's getting up to 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, there'll be some news coming out what happened today, and I'll be interested in having a look in everybody's opinions and see where we go from here, like, you know. Good night. Be good. Be good. Be very good.